Now we head straight to the stage for an all-together medley. I wonder what they have prepared for us. Please welcome Tarrant High School.
Thanks for being here. I like that intro, that Altogether Sing, and the way you ended it. When you went to One Love, though, that was the saddest intro to One Love I've ever heard. It was a little tearful.
I found the Altogether Sing. You sang that 7 times. It was a little bit repetitive for me. The choice of that and Into One Love, you probably could challenge yourself into something else or stretch One Love a little more.
Tarrant, I believe in you and I know you can do better. I enjoyed it and I'm looking forward to better.
Well, Tarrant High needs your support, so show them some love by calling or texting 444-8807.